Jotije lony mag lwedo moriwo juakali kod joket mwandu matindo e kaunti ma Siaya yudo tiegruok mar kaka ginyalo tayo chenro magi yo mar kelo yuto kod dongruok. Chenrono manyo ota gi riwruok ma idendo ni 20 times entrepreneur kendo tisi ni chanuka jipange na opportunities. E tiegruokno manyo tim St. Peter's Ezike Cathedral Siaya jota chenrono yango ni gigeto neno ni jopiny oyudo lony mar tayo chenro magi mag tije ohala kod timorak e kind chenro mamoko.
Many times when there's a lot of political and economic noise, the micro entrepreneurs lose hope. So we are here as a ray of hope and to say we can do it despite and in spite of the challenges that we face. And challenges are not going anywhere. So our work is to surmount the challenges, rise above those challenges and be the best that we can be and do the best we can do for our small businesses so that they can become bigger businesses and eventually we become employers.
It's going really to bring us to another level, something of that kind. And even when she's talking about issue of housing, recently I was at the housing site and I was really blessed on the project that is going on there.
Tumepewa maarifa ya kutafuta pesa, ya kutafuta biashara zingine na tumefundishwa pia kuunganisha hiyo biashara iwe moja, ama kama tuko watu wengi, mtu mmoja hawezi fanya biashara, hawezi pata pesa.
The only thing which I would like to request them that this one should not be the first and the last. We should collaborate and do more things, and if possible, they can even bring in the financiers who can help us improve our financial status.